The House of Representatives has invited at least 40 social media personalities to serve as resource persons for the probe on fake news and disinformation on February 4. The inquiry will be led by the House Tri-Committee, which includes the Committees on Public Order and Safety, Public Information and Communications Technology. Among the invited social media influencers are Sasot, Lorraine Badoy, Jeffrey Celis, Banat B, and Mahardika. Committee Chair Laguna Representative Dan Fernandez, and they said the inquiry seeks to identify weaknesses in current digital policies and propose stricter measures against misinformation. Representatives from major tech companies like Google, Meta, and ByteDance are also expected to participate in discussions.
Si ano yan? Si Banat Bay.
Banat Bay, sorry,
ko yan
Banat
dun
B.
sa mga ano eh.
Siya yung
mga cameraman sa babae.
Napanood ko yan si Banat. Yun yung time na nung election parang tumitira bigla kay Marcos Jr. after a while. Paiba-iba siya eh. Pero maganda yung mga, okay naman sana yung punto niya at the times. Pero ang style niya parang galit lagi na Pero nakikita ko yun sa TikTok.
Sa TikTok.
TikTok account niya.
Pero ako, it's high time na talagang bigyan ng pansin. Kasi laganap talaga yung mga fake news, yung mga disinformation sa social media na in essence, syempre yung ibang mga kababayan natin, hindi naman katulad ng iba na magpa-fact check pa sila. Iba, whatever they see online, parang for them, it's gospel truth.
Pero medyo interesting for me to see na ito, si Dan Fernandez have invited, karamihan na nakikita kong names at pinag-usapan natin to, from a specific, particular political family na allied sila, from the Dutertes. Diba? So bakit kaya from that side lang sila kumuha ng mga
The majority, kumbaga.
Kaya majority. So it's interesting to know ano ba ang...
Kasi ito yung mga malalaki yung malalaki yung following.
Mas madami pang malalaki yung following that belong to the other side. But I'm just saying, it's just interesting lang to see yung magiging direction nito. Will this be another heated committee hearing, di ba?
Tignan natin.
Last hurrah bago mag-campaign na talaga sila Kong or di ba? Let's see.
Tignan natin. Pero importante talaga na ma-address itong issue na to sa social media dahil talaga laganap ang fake news.
Kasi ang daming maniniwalang kabataan, yung mga kaka-18 lang, 19 who are going to be new voters and they see info like this kaagad. Gospel truth sa kanila yan sometimes.